Welcome to Antenna by Panda. Today let's take a closer look on this 3x5 elements Yagi. This antenna can easily be disassembled for storage. Each element is mounted through the boom using a mounting screw on each element. This is the gamma match for the UHF side, and this is the gamma match for the VHF side. So if we want to disassemble, we just need to unscrew the elements one by one, including the tuning stub, and we can store it for safekeeping. We can also remove those brackets, as we can see. So everything can be removed. So let's do that, and I'll show you how I'll do it. So my first step was to remove the tuning stubs from the gamma match. This is the tuning stub, and it is just secured by a butterfly nut. So I'll be removing the pacing harness next. Just unscrew the PL259 connector. I just removed the pacing harness. This is just secured by the PL259 connector on the SO239. So what I'll do next is to remove the gamma matching from the VHF and the UHF side using the wrench. Once the securing nut is removed, we just need to pull out the gamma match from the bracket. We have to do it on both the UHF and the VHF side. I have now completely removed the gamma match, the tuning stub, and the pacing harness from the antenna. So next step would be to remove the mounting bracket at the back. This is just secured by a nut, so we just unscrew it. This is used for mounting the antenna on the mast. So we just now remove the mounting bracket, and the rest of the elements are just secured by mounting screw at the middle going out on the other side. So it is just secured by single screw on each element. So we just need to unscrew everything. So I'm now removing the bracket for the VHF side. Next would be the UHF side. Knob is removed. I just now removed the mounting brackets from the UHF and VHF side. So next step would be to remove the elements. It is just secured by one mounting screw and the nut at the back. So removing it is simply unscrew the elements, and remove it by pulling the elements from the boom. We are almost done. So once we are done, we are going to keep the elements for safekeeping and easy storage. So this is the last element for the UHF side. And we are done with disassembly. Once we are done with the disassembly procedure, we are just left with the antenna boom, the three elements for the VHF side according to their length, the 5 elements for the UHF side. We have the pacing harness, tuning stub for the VHF and UHF side, the gamma matches for VHF and UHF, the bracket mounting for the gamma match, the bracket for antenna mounting on the mast. We have 8 screws for the elements and 4 screws for the brackets. We can actually store the elements inside the boom. So once all the elements are inside, we can just put this on a separate storage space or plastic bag, and we can keep everything neatly stored. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video.